We at Trend Micro are always keen to equip our partners with new and powerful tools to facilitate your businesses. Listening meticulously to our partners' feedback helped us to foresee a place for one more significant improvement. We are delighted to announce the new Trend Micro Partner Mobile app. Using this agile app, partners can browse through many helpful materials and resources with a great set of enabling functions to further how partners operate businesses with Trend Micro. As a Trend Micro partner, in just a few taps of your mobile, you can submit deal registration, get the latest promotions and incentives programs, or download the relevant materials that can help in both your sales and marketing functions. Additionally, this new mobile app operates as a flexible gate to various classes and online trainings that are available on our education portal. Moving on. If you are preparing for a customer meeting and you are looking for a quick memory refresh about our solutions, the Sales Kits tab is your place to click. Under this section, you will find relevant materials for all of Trend Micro's key solutions. Each sales kit consists of featured presentations, solution briefs, data sheets, and demo videos that you can revise and share on the spot with your customers. For additional resources, we made our marketing kits available on the mobile app. This section provides tools and information to support you when you want to conduct marketing campaigns. Lastly, make sure to check out the Promotions and Incentives tab to view the details of the available promotions program in your region. For complete helping resources and enabling functions, you need to look no further than Trend Micro Partner Mobile app. The app is available for downloading on iOS and Android devices. Click the links in the video description and start exploring a new way to manage your business with Trend Micro.